Let's make some super cute polymer clay magnets together. First, grab a bunch of colourful polymer clay. Roll it in your hands to shape whatever your heart desires. I'm starting with a hot dog, sculpting the bun, rolling out the sausage and topping it off with a squiggle of mustard. You can literally make anything. Pro tip, adding a cute little face makes everything better. I love strawberries, so obviously I had to make a teeny tiny one for my fridge. And because the kids are obsessed with the weather, I made a sunny cloud combo. And finally, my favourite character from my childhood. I had a go at making Gumby. Like and follow for part 2 to find out how I turn these into magnets.